Straight to the point, we can use as in 4 different ways when we are speaking English. Number 1, to show function of something, normally about job titles. I work there as a nurse, or I work at school as a teacher, as a headmaster, as a janitor. I don't know any job title. Another way to use it when we want to show functions is about an uncommon function of something. For example, everybody uses pencil to write something down, but John Wick used pencil as a weapon. Number 2, when we want to compare 2 things, we can use it in affirmative mode if they're the same and negative mode if they're different. For example, my right hand is as big as my left hand, or wood is not as strong as metal. Number 3, about how something appears. This is how we use like in our sentences. You act as if you're 4 years old. You act like you're 4 years old. Another one is while, when you want to say that 2 things are happening at the same time. For example, I'm teaching as you're watching. I'm finishing this video as you're liking this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please follow for more videos. Good day.